Hello everyone, this is Amrita Pendiala. I am currently pursuing third year BTech of Computer Science and Engineering at Lendi Institute of Technology. As a part of case study, we have to interact with senior. He is one of my senior. He is Satish Kumar Pendiala. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi Amruta. Yeah, go ahead.
Can
Ox.
you share can you share your journey from being a BTech student to current getting job?
Okay. Good morning, Amruta. In my BTech, I built strong foundations in my problem-solving skills and programming skills. Along with that, I am focusing on my logical thinking also, and I participate in a lot of mini projects and some hackathons as well, and my academics as well. Along with work, BTech is a very excellent journey. In my BTech, we enjoyed a lot in sports and some cultural activities. We have some basic introductions thing. I think you guys call it as a ragging, but it is a basic introduction to with seniors. It is very beautiful journey.
What challenges did you face for interview process?
In interview process, no, the major challenge is a communication, and the communication is very important aspect in the interview. Why? Because if you have lot of knowledge in all areas, you need to explain the things clearly to understand the for interviewers. So communication is the key challenge. Why? Because I am came from one of village and I completed my all schooling and college in Telugu medium. So I faced one of the major challenges communication. Then I overcame that through lot of other ways like practicing in front of mirror, talking calls with friends in English only. Uh, this is one, and the other thing is the problem solving skills and all. In my academic career, I planned all these things how to overcome with some different plans. I'll explain if needed those things. Yeah, you can go ahead further.
Are you attend many interviews, right? Can you please share your experience?
Yeah, I attended almost 15 interviews. One each interview has a different experience, and I learned a lot from each interview. If we didn't select also, whatever questions they asked, if I didn't know the answer, I came to home and I searched the answer for that question. And see, I know by doing all this only we got a lot of knowledge. Uh, and finally I got selected in my 15th interview, I think. This is about experience, and in interviewer, no, the people mainly focus on our communication skills and our problem solving skills and our academic grades. These are the things they will mostly focus on. Yeah, you can proceed further.
What technical skills required for getting a placement?
Mean more of a technical things in mean that you should have knowledge on your operating systems, networking, current technologies are artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the key factors in current days. Along with this, you need to know one of the programming language like C, Java. Anything is fine. Why? Because syntactically those are different, but uh, logically all are same. Um, I think these are the things you need.
What are the different types of rounds while in interview process?
Yeah, in different companies have different rounds, but the generic process is written test that should be online or offline, and then there should be a group discussion, and then there is a technical round, and finally there is an HR round. A few for companies may conduct a jam. It is just a minute. They will give some topic, and they need to talk about 1 minute of that. You need to give some crisp details of that topic. These are the rounds generally companies will follow.
What tools or technologies did you use most in your current work?
Yeah, the tools and technologies are different from company to company. In my experience, I use tools like GitHub and Jira and this AWS, Amazon Web Service. Uh, And along with tools, the Python is the major thing what I used. That's about this.
Can you explain the role of communication in present scenario?
Yeah, I think I already told. Communication is a key factor for in recent days or in any days. Why? Because in interviews or in work, you need to explain the things clearly. Why? Because we have a bunch of people. I can say 10 to 15 people are there in that interview panel. Or if you are get a job in the meetings, also 10 to 15 folks are there. So whatever you are telling, they should understand clearly. So for that, if they didn't understand what you're telling, so there is no point. Why? Because that's where the communication is very important, plays a very important role. uh, so why? Because for problem solving or for your projects, if you're explaining something, if everyone understand, no, it's easy to work on. And interviews also, if you're explaining something, if they understand easily based on your communication only. So if your communication is good, they will understand clearly, and there is a chance of getting job or get approving project or works done easily. These all things being done basically on communication only. Yeah, you can proceed further.
Can you explain the role of present you working in your company?
Okay, my role. Okay, in my company, I am working as a senior software engineer. I'm taking care of this Python automation entire in my company. I think whatever testing the engineers need to do, we need to do automation for that. Initially, we'll collect that whatever the requirements and whatever the tasks they need. We'll collect all the requirements and I mean, what are the expectations? Clearly, we'll collect from the respective teams and we'll build the needs for them, and the job will be done if we develop the detailed things. And along with that work, no, in companies also we have a very chill life. I mean, we have a lot of social activities, cultural activities, games. Everything is there in the IT companies. This is a very beautiful journey.
Can you please give me advices for
The
getting a jobs?
Yeah, advantages means the practice is the very important thing. Suppose if you are lacking your communication, you need to focus on the communication by talking with friends or watching English movies, and practicing in front of mirror or in front of your one of your family member. Whatever you want to explain, you can explain with them. And then you will have, suppose you have some stage fears or some English communication weak. If you are weak, these will be solved with that. And the next thing is technical or programming, mean programming skills. For that, even if you read 100 times, it will be not enough. If you need to practice with laptop, and you need to write more and more logics, that's the important thing. And the next thing is you need to see interview process, how to talk in interviews. There are a lot of internet is available, no? And in market, there is a lot of videos. I mean, lot of wikis are there. You can get the info from there, and you need to have 1 or 2 spend 1 or 2 hours on interview process. Then there is definitely chance of getting job high.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Amurta. Bye bye.